Good evening. Our special guest today is Christoph Rabatel, President and CEO of Carrefour Poland. Welcome.
Thank you. Good
And
evening.
we would like to discuss a very hot topic, which might be probably interested for you, even if you are not involved in business: food transition. Food transition is a very important part of your new strategy, Carrefour 2022. So tell me, what is behind this concept, this idea?
Very clearly, this is the global answer of Carrefour to global climate, social and environmental challenges. We consider that as a private company involved in the daily life of many customers, we have a societal responsibility, and we want to take fully this responsibility and trying to become the leader of food transition for all, meaning giving high quality products at affordable price to as many people as possible, meaning democratizing bio products, especially here in Poland, meaning fighting against food waste, and meaning doing whatever it takes in our business to reduce, for instance, the use of plastics to make our planet better.
Oh, I would like to ask you about maybe one detail. Democracy, I mean democratization of biofood. What does it mean?
Globally, it means first that there is a big education challenge. We need to make our people, our families, our customers understand why it's better for our health and why it's better for the health of our planet to eat more and more organic products compared to GMO products, for instance, or all the products with many additives and stuff like this. So there is an education first, and second, we have to work a lot on the traceability, on the transparency of what is in our products and how we can make those products better, and why we are convinced that eating better will lead to living better.
Okay, it's good to live better, but I would like to ask you, about consumers. I mean, what do you predict? How may change our eating habits or shopping habits? What do you think in the nearest future?
So we clearly think that health is a major concern for the majority of Poles today in Poland. When we look at the figures of bio products, we can consider that it's not at all a concern, but in fact it's not the case, and it's growing quite rapidly. This consciousness of how much eating is important in what we are becoming and in the health we are each of us working on, and this is key for our families, our children, our people, and of course our customers. And this is what we want to develop, and we consider that those trends are really very much important trends, and we see that in many surveys, meaning that Poles are saying that more than half of Poles are saying that they are looking carefully to labels. This is a very good point. They are telling us that their biggest fear is health issues. They are telling us that they are ready to pay more now to make sure that they are eating and they are giving to their families healthier products.
Okay, so now let's talk about the business. What will change in your relations with your business partners, with your suppliers, for instance?
First of all, I would like to speak about our Act for Food campaign that we launched in 2018, in September last year. This was a promotion campaign, but what we want to show is that this is only acts, and we have many actions behind this campaign. It's not only communication, it's not only promotion. And at the time, we started with 6 very concrete acts, starting from a guarantee on the lowest price on 1,500 healthy products that we try to put on healthy shelves in our stores. Then we wanted to develop and democratize, meaning making those products more popular, bio products, and we give 10% discount on each Carrefour bio product when our customers buy them with our application Moi Carrefour. That was the second act. We have developed a wider range of vegan products, 240 food products, 60 cosmetics based on vegetal ingredients, and more and more. I mean, we committed ourselves, for instance, to say we won't sell anymore cage eggs in our stores by 2025, and we committed ourselves to make it happen as soon as 2020 for our private label eggs. In fact, we did it in 2019. Now, for our private label Carrefour Bio eggs, or Carrefour Bio, or what we call Jacobs Genatore products in our stores, we don't have cage eggs anymore in our stores. So this is very concrete acts, and since then we have added 5 of them. We have now 11 very concrete action plans. The last one is that we accept in all our hypermarkets, in all our supermarkets in Poland, to serve our customers in the boxes they come to in our stores, saying we want to reduce plastics, we want to reduce globally packaging. So fair enough, we agree on that direction. So we try to make it happen in our stores. And today, if you want to ask for some meat and put it in a box that you take from your home or that you buy from our stores, it's possible. We will make it in all our stores.
Okay.
To be as much concrete as possible.
And by the way, how many Polish products you sell in your stores, or maybe abroad outside Poland? What is the percentage? What is the plan?
Globally, 80% of our assortment is coming from Poland, are Polish products. 80%.
Okay.
Of course, for seasonal products, for exotic products, there is a trend as well for exotic world food. So I guess that it will be difficult to reduce it much more. We'll try it. For instance, for bio products, in my opinion, we have too many imported bio products today, and our clear ambition is to develop more and more bio Polish products. And this is the reason why we took, again, a few concrete actions in that respect. Starting last year, we decided to help 25 Polish farmers to convert their traditional farm to bio farm. We gave grants amounting to 800,000 zloty to start, to help those 25 farmers. In fact, it's 20 farmers for a conversion, for a full conversion, and 5 of them were already bio farmers, but we will help them with those grants to diversify their offer and to grow their business. And we commit ourselves to take all their production during this conversion period. Thereafter, we took the initiative to build what we call the Coalition for the Bio Development in Poland, and we have business people around the table, like Carrefour. We have bio producers. We have a Polish association for bio food. We are working under the patronage of Ministry of Agriculture, and we try to tackle all together all the challenges which makes today quite difficult for Polish farmers to develop bio products, whereas it's a global trend, and if we compare to Western European countries, we are very much lagging behind in Poland. If I give you 3 figures, a Polish consumer is spending €7 per year for bio products, when a German is spending €100 and a Danish €200.
So it shows the direction.
It shows the directions, and in the last few years, the number of hectares of land which have been grown for bio products have decreased. So we are trying to understand why there is a decrease, whereas it should explode. And when we put more bio product in our stores, I can tell you that our customers are liking them, and it seems that it's working very well. So we are lagging behind, and we need to push for it. This is the reason why we took this initiative. And then last June we organized what we call the EcoFood 360, where we asked many experts from all over the world, mainly European countries, people from Denmark, people from Norwegian, people from Italy, people from France, to discuss all together with bio producers as well, what are our common challenges if we want to make bio products growing like this. It's good for our health. We have some specialists as well around the table. Eva Rambiałowska, for instance, from SGGW. And some studies are now clearly showing that eating more bio products will improve your health and will decrease your risk of developing cancer, for instance.
Yeah, that's what I would like to ask you. What is the main challenge here? But I believe that you need coalition to implement such strategy in the market.
Yes,
we need cooperation.
Yes, we need cooperation. We need a coalition to make sure that we will take up this challenge, which is first of all educational one, because when you see the figures, and I was telling you that polls are saying that they are looking at the labels carefully, more than half of them, but at the end, even for bio consumers, in fact, only 25% of them know the bio label, knowing the white leaves on the green color, which is the European bio label. But not many people are knowing this label, meaning that often people in Poland, but it can be the same in other countries, but in a different extent, think that they are eating well without looking at the label, and bio label is a key, because it's not only a quality product, but it's a quality product grown with a good approach for the planet, meaning that it's twice better. And if you don't have the label, you don't know. It can be good, but it's not for sure. It can be as well marketing, it can be a good product for the taste, but you are not sure about additives which are in it, pesticide used to grow the product. So for us, it's very much important to make Poles aware about all that, and understand that sometimes, of course, it's more expensive, but how do we explain people why it is more expensive? Because when you don't use pesticides to grow your crop, that you need to make a lot of manual operations, knowing the labor cost, and you can easily explain why for some products it's not the case for all of them. Why for some products it's clearly very much differentiated. And you can explain as well that if you take a bio lemon, for instance, you will be able to use as well the envelope of the to use in your plate for other dessert, or whereas if you don't take bio lemons, you take some risk for your health for sure.
Yeah, and that's the food transition. So I've got one more question. What kind of Polish food do you like the best? The most difficult question, maybe.
Maybe the most difficult question, but I can tell you, I will speak about some Polish products with Carrefour private label. Jakoś Natury, Łozus, either smoked or not smoked, just perfect. You buy this, you buy Carrefour Bio bread with Jakoś Natury butter, and just enjoy. And if you feel like having a glass of white wine, a Riesling from Poland, from the western part, Legnica, no, Zielona Góra. Zielona Góra, thank you very much. I enjoy very much that kind of great food, and we have great food here in Poland as of today, but we need to develop them much more.
Okay, thank you very much for our conversation.
You're very much welcome. Thank you.